Man, I cannot lose my job right now. I'm still paying off that painting I bought. Oh, my stomach. Oh, God, man. Oh, God. Excuse me, do you know what the next stop is? Oh, I can see the office. Oh, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I call you, man, the devil! Devil! Man, the devil! 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 Devil!